So good morning guys. So good morning again. I'm back. So magawa naman tayo ng video just for upload na naman no kay ano na tayo update sa atong YouTube. So akong buhato na lang siguro karon is maghimo ko og opinion ako about sa katong issue nga 500 Noche Buena. So kasi ginabash magud to siya nga issue nga grabe na kayo big deal na sa ubang tao because daw 500 pesos daw is not really enough for Noche Buena kaya nagamahal na jud ang mga palitunon karon, which is true. But for the instinct of nga kailangan to siyang tatagalan talaga og focus just to bash lang sa iya. Actually dili na siya jud kailangan na to siya i-mind because for me ang pagsabot lang nako siguro I think that's a budgeting techniques for those who can really afford to buy more. So for those nga kanang enough lang because we're not talaga same level of status in life, so I think okay ra pud siya kay way back then naman, so we can celebrate our birthday even hindi wala tay handa as long as na atong family sa ato ang palibot. So if we have money, if we have 500, so we can buy like mga kasi mga atong mga nasanayan before nga sliced bread, drinks and lechon manok. So nagadepend po na siya sa kadakon sa family. But for those nga na di ka-afford, so you can buy as more than as 500 pesos because we never wala pa tagi pugos nga kada adto atong dapat atong I apply because if we have much money, we can buy more. We can afford much more food. So, for those nga, limited lang po ang kwarta. So, I think 500, we can use that one for a simple occasion. Simple dishes, simple handa lang for our family. So, we don't need to make this issue big because a lot of things that we need to focus on, like issues karon sa ato ang administration nga kailangan atong ato bangon nga we need to stand up, we need to voice out our voice just to make them kanang accountable for that. So I think that's kailangan atong i-focus because we are involved in the things. Yes, we're not the one who stole the money, but because since we are the people of the Philippines, we have the right to singil for them because that's not their money, it's the money of everybody. Alright, so we back ka sa atong topic ng 500. So we don't need to mind a simple thing just to make an issue. If you want to adhere that thoughts, so it depends on you. But for me, di na po dito talaga siya ibigay guys because if you have 500, you can buy food as a small thing as you can as long as you just celebrate the occasion for Noche Buena. You can buy kag bihon, sliced bread, as kanang aturang mga nasanayan niya food, drinks. So I think that's enough na siguro for those nga wala. But for those nga na-adjust, they can buy food sa paglitsyon nila baliton because they have money. The 500 pesos I think for her, that's my opinion, is for those who can really afford nga more than money. So I think 500 we can make it okay na just to celebrate the Christmas, the New Year or whatsoever. So, wag na natin yung ibig deal yung mga issue na mga ganon. So, we need to focus on the things that kailangan natong maging better nagiging just spread the love, peace to everybody. We don't need to bust something as long as wala sa lagi sa tuwang mali. Because that's only an opinion. Everyone has the entitled for their own thoughts, opinion, and everything. As long as wala kang isumbag, wala kang isuposil or whatsoever things that ginaharm kanila, don't mind it. Okay, so yan lang. Good morning.